See, I said, John Mahama is excellent, and the driver crowd is competent than Omunya. Bawumi best say one mine total one ma or mine at Tia Pansa. The vice president and not NPP for any dance so we do economic messiah. Obama economy na ye, I will arrest the dollar, I will arrest the this, and I'm a $2 no, and I'm the kids now come IGP. Japan is part of the mess. Say, Kennedy, man like me should be bold enough. No one can change his life. He doesn't know what it takes to be a president. He say president is in here. No. For you to become a president, you have to be a reasonable person. Corruption in some cost be beginning. You think say, can Japan what to say what bad but abe friends say lashes some of the this issues in it. No, because he's part of them.
All right, great people. You're moving about Poleeno Multimedia. The name still remains the Fresh Boy, Papa J. And then many a Sylvester Agyapong. This is titles na baby. Or a communications director or Kwadaso constituency. Or something Ashanti regional day.
Ashanti regional coordinator.
Okay.
And Ashanti regional chairman, creative art for NDC.
NDC.
Yeah.
So that's a position by neighbor.
NDC
the more the
oh NDC the so attractive.
Oh, okay.
Even Ashanti regional secretary now are so attractive. Okay. They say a lot of people are running to NDC because they've seen. I mean, fans say, "Oma way in Shio, no more way and sa." No more who the mood. No more who say it may be a chum.
Okay.
Omo from so
okay.
Yes, it is a lot of people are running to NDC. I mean NDC, Robbie, you I mean one person is NDC attractive.
No NDC me. Yeah, Ghana and they heard the continue NDC and MPP, you know, bomb by heard the ABC. Well, na me ka say wo UK, wo Canada, wo US and also send this car Edeba Africa. There were 10 African countries are all person send this car Edeba or Lemfa. Until Lemfa say o maba e bi mama. So was our countries here, UK, Canada, and then US here. Also, this car, Fafa Lemfa. They making sure say, promo code that obey you soon. Over POLENNO Poleeno. Now they are sending Lemfa. I say, first time I'll be transaction. So we send this car $250 going or the $30 back. We won't pay now per day. It's only Lemfa and a bit me I the amount. And no more transactions. So we are a free. No more the best rate. Lemfa ni kuta the best rate nti ye no beka omo ho asem bebrebe na mom ye kure sesla eni nkomo time no era ne panti manye faster sesla o set na maba be chire no sesla NPP for kwakoto omo aba flag bearer for the new patriotic party.
Okay.
E baswa no na wo se me ba won chen you being a member of the NDC we communication team member here o se me no ba chen be bi nkomo Alan Martin, Kennedy Agyapong, Bawumi, and then man back. I'm kind of review with him. I say, are there any more?
Dr. Sakutu.
Dr. Sakutu.
Thanks. Point of correction. Alan.
Okay. How frame? Alan the frame. Alan the frame. Alan will free party and how? What's the me? How many? That's still. I mean, Felisa so that's what party.
Me assume you know me kwa de bia me for mo
me who is ask for free party anymore. I don't see that way.
Oh say what said that year official press conference.
Yeah.
Ama abeto dwa say we free party. Yes.
But me boni dey me say oka race no. I still don't see say we free party. But all the same. Says like Sani pa omoko yekoto aba mo omu. Usha hwan pa na a threat Emma NDC.
Did I hear you?
Yeah, when a threat.
No, wait, did I hear you use the word threat?
When a threat my NDC.
None of them.
Candidates 5.
None of them. Obi threat my NDC. One a threat my NDC. I mean, they should put their records down. Can they Japan find a record on work? Alan find a record on work. Also could find a record on Once I want a threat.
Obi threat.
None of them. Omo pomo come nyina mbom. Omo for former president Kofo nka ho. Omo konyane aku adubuan emra. Omo chese omo nyane etiti no ma sabi omo free party ni nyina mbra. Obi anya omo come nya bom kra na. They no omo nya treatment is.
Oba gurus 5 way Kennedy Agyapong I think say
Kennedy Agyapong my brother. Kennedy Agyapong. Yes sankofa yechi mechia ahwefo ne atiefo nyina ne mechia NDC national executives, all the regional executives and all the constituency executives. Now in Chiakese Ekoma, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the incoming president 2025. Afiyen Twasu.
Na make us say when I trading because I'm for say we go for can almost say omo amusro omo no. And I tell make say we mama to aba man na zani pa na musro no.
Well, you sure be I mean they also you sure no. Why you sure no?
Ghana for say they are na endis for musro say be MPPDB candidate bi ba. Muso nipa we o ba won timi nye say why say na say mo pese ye nyi onu free because na musro no.
Papa J. Yen hwa di bi wa. Ghana for I am so fed up with the NPP government and the NPP party as a whole. So irrespective of whoever on the baby can never match NDC and can never match our flag bearer, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. None of them can match him.
Okay.
Even her, Omo Munyina Krano, meet me as a John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, the driver Krano. Is competent than Omunyina.
Oh, so like, don't you?
Oh, no. Oh, let me tell you something. Which one is
driver?
I'm telling you. I communicate with him. And look at Adrian what's our branch in Trimoa. A chess your man crashing is a bit me a buman cry, as a sound of where Obu Munyina.
Which says, you don't mind sharing, sir. And say, NDC Kwamo de Neba, or no, a competent NDC MPP for candidates.
I am telling you.
Well, Bawumi, I am vice president.
Or then
I have vice president.
Or vice or banner, dear, a dear young man, didn't any man or deba.
Why any man be
economic messiah, and young man, I'm an economic messiah, and young man didn't any neighbor.
That's why name baby. Digital baby, so on one.
I didn't get it.
Why don't my Ghana digitalizing Yama? Masa Palace,
the OC structure, no? The guitar center, the OC structure, no crazy or crown. Wadao, on when you do. The OC structure, no? The guitar center no esi orugano wada onye dede na wa obi di na idea ba no di mika no akowia na dia betu dwame nam de ba ye no na ye den onye hwe ba umia be se wo man no totally you see wama o man na tete apansam as a vice president and na NPP for nyina ni dan so we the economic messiah Obama economy na ye I will arrest the dollar I will arrest the this and I'm achi dollar no and I'm the kids na come IGP and na why and na me ba in the first way no Mississippi 16 senior high schools among all the Zongo communities in few so many foundation kran ye see book ye fa bi kran ye see bi o me say na me sin kanompo
omonya hwe.
Where's the 350 senior high schools they promised Ghanaians in 2017? In 2016. Where's the 350 senior high schools? When you be? Masa, 350. Omuchire me move 5. Omuchire me move 5.
O person say omunya emu bia.
Me say almost 350 senior high schools. Omu bisi. Ewa hi. Papa J, we are Ghana new. Sometimes mamu nyemu say the movie dey cost o mind. Stop this kind of how do you call it? Pretentious attitude, no? And pretentious behavior. Sometimes mo na mo kasama your friend said the vulnerable ones.
Okay, yeah.
Are you getting it? No say mo so mo yi mani ema wo mu a. Na say be o mind ni ditch mu an ye dey. E na ye ko no. Oh, we are we say 5 okoro mo nsi.
Why do you sometimes more MPP, NDC politicians in general? Mo betimi aka asem, but mo de mo beka no mo ba monye. Ebiesi NDC person, ebiesi MPP person.
NDC dia no NDC dia no waka. Wo kan NDC dia no waka MP na wo de atoto ho. No wo de ne dia no at least otimi born ho modin. Sa na wo so your analysis. And generalizing say NPP be ye NPP NDC.
Idea wo
you're mistaken.
I think NDC time, we promise some schools, all right. Muyebi. Your mama is schools, my mother says schools, no, see, room.
Is it seen me bow? Prempeh College. You see Prempeh College. Now you say Prempeh College, a dime from where she are. You see, yes, and to one else, a ton of sweat biama. No,
that's not see and Benkro.
No, far away.
Oh, okay.
But you see, you were visionary and visionless.
Okay.
You're a visionary leader and a visionless leader.
Okay.
Ofa is Excellency John Dramani Mahama, or a visionary leader.
Okay.
Yes, or Junior Kwankai. It was a school of Pussy baby, I didn't know what's way. fa kwan keke dey eto ko yiyo yi bibi ho na manfo sha asenye dey emuvi nko
oh okay
ye ne yete kwada so na ye kwata no so ni se ye hu ni se tano so ye kwa tenten
yeah
mi o me kwada so tete me kwada so
okay yeah
ho na manyina na kwada so constituency so na matena to date. Are you getting it? Ni hu ya santo say ya santo aye dey kwan wa
yeah.
But and now what took a free kwada so to tano so na se ka bie ni kwama in less than 3 minutes kwada so to tano so be do sisi ya
no the okay dey
e to wonya kwan ne nko ho ana wo bie si school esi baby na ana wo si esi muram. It doesn't make sense.
So it takes a vision person to see some. I mean, see, I know as time goes on,
Kuba no.
Oh, okay.
That is a visionary leader.
Okay. And then I will chat some way actually gonna because at times the uti and some air corner and I jump about obviously there's a room, obviously there's a room and trying to me for Hong Kong.
And trying to me for Hong Kong. So you think say Sebi. Or he know the assassin man say you see school there. Sebi utafrache. Sebi unim dia na wo yana. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Until I mean more emphasis, we say schools need to say yes and one prem all those big schools. Na any kromo. Ne we
Okay.
Agugu state ni mo sa schools say we chi me breni nyina no. Na any krom.
Yeah.
Oh, it is how crofo we no o ma bon amemu ye ka amemu mo adwene a they don't have it. They are always apportioning blames here and there.
Some people also say it's you blame NPP government, because during the COVID, we are seeing now a day. We manage your money crazy. And can your mama pension and COVID buy there and I can Ghana one will be actually worry. That's what people are saying.
Sir, Ebola buy now Ghana.
Never.
What happened? ABC Ghana.
Good.
That is a visionary leader.
Okay.
Or Juni Konkai. And make sure say what she said no ma akwam at say ya really 20 minutes day in ground my room. By the end of see ya hwaya ma ya re ne ye day e be room my room and ye ko set up frontier company be the frontier e be set up omu system ne no ma bebre wo ye airport e terminal 3 am see ye no. Yeah. Amu gi $50. E wi achi ye nya sen e say nya $80 million. Ghana nya say nya just $7 million. The rest of the money you dey call Nigeria. That's why I learned said that frontier company
$80 million.
Yes, Ghana nya just $7 million.
Wow.
You see, sika ba on my way mono. You are saying say COVID be one manage. E dey no manage. When you know here when the Savurugu PC, but catch the Ghana for say COVID is coming at moment. When you know in Ghana here, or no $100,000. Savurugu, also yet, before say infant constituency, a small constituency. A piece in Kenya $100,000.
Wow.
To imagine, sorry, 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Imagine Bantama constituency. Imagine Kwadaso constituency. Imagine Isheso constituency. Imagine Swami constituency. Imagine North
Hokwa
Ekituebi. It's a Hong Kong almost there because Utie constituency chairman executives in the Musu Yaya. You can you it's almost there 700,000 Ghana cedis. I was having Hong Kong. To imagine Bantama and other big constituencies. Ombenya more than 1 million. Everybody 2 million. Baby more than 10 million Ghana cedis. Much is Kennedy. And you come and tell me, said, Mama manage economy in what sense? COVID ebi amatogo. Ebi amatogo. Ebi an Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire na Togo. Ko hwe se enoma bo te sen wo. Masa, you see, ade ne nya, ye nyine momu kasa ade ne nya dai. Enye. Ase ye hu se nya atwemfo. Obi de ba ebetimi aka, obi de ba yentimi nka. Enipa no mismanage the economy. Was say on one can say bien no muto wa pija ne sase afede ma pija me nsa economy ni mu ayedin economy ni mu ayedin nti obesere nia MPP for ba be yi no ana wo be succeed no on the bit nya your mind here. And this is coming from a sitting president somebody who promised Ghanaians to say he's going to make this country better. He's telling Ghanaians to say afede you see the see dondo afro tegare me bo afro tegare dondo afro tegare o see afedie o man no ono won timi ni bibia bi won timi nya ho hwe
sasa me say candidate 5 na omodo omoba no. To you as an NDC member, to you as an NDC member, if say MPP for about one chance say choose one for them, can we call for one?
I will not choose any one of them. I'll not choose. I'll not choose any of them.
How much that consult too? Say
they should go and consult. Affairs. They should go and consult their members. How can you come and consult?
Oh, say your man say Ushemwa.
Japan is part of the mess. Ono kwa de ni de no kwa de.
Say onye president.
Onye president. Onye sitting. Onye president. Matias Kennedy nye president. Matias.
Okay.
But wonim say Kennedy, man like me. You should be bold enough. No one can tell me say sly. Bills at the parliament. Wait, and I'm disapprove here. This man helped to approve all the bills at the parliament. At a point in time, on one person no mutuo say Okoji Sika your friend is a chief of staff $120,000.
Okay.
I think it's $120,000. Yeah, I think it's around that figure. I know the command why I draw safo. Some na no mede ometuaba. And you do no kwasi play mu from America to Ghana. And obetuaba.
Wow.
And you tell me say what? Masa, is he not part of this friends and ministerial positions we've been in Ghana? He's part of it. What be catching any videos on go viral. Say friend is aviation transport ministry. On the command me aviation and transport. Me one nke betinya kasa in a ministry na abom baako. So what I say na ayede na cost cry dey abafom. But we me ko split no. Ekoya aviation, ekoya transport and dey. And then say be na dey abro man no. Eye kankwa na amene yi. So he is part of the mess. Not to talk about me. Okay? It's in when they are competent is lead Ghana in the first place. I don't see any competent. I mean any competent person among them or bet me lead Ghana.
But me also can say your mama so incompetent.
No, cause so incompetent, you know. At that time, not holding any position near presidency. So he didn't know what he was talking about.
No, okay.
But me at that time no any position near presidency. He was just ranting. Only he doesn't know what it takes to be a president. He doesn't know when he say presidency in here. No. That's not presidency.
There's a lot to presidency.
For you to become a president, you have to be a reasonable person. You have to be someone who kind, a visionary person, somebody who cares about his people. Do they care about us, or do they care for us? Corruption in some cost be beginning. You think say can Japan what to say what bad but abe friends say wabe lash some of the distant issues in it. No, because he's part of them. He's part of them. Bawumi, what is what become once him? No. They are all part of the mess. It's omumu wine and obeti me din say sin busa me dear me. I am innocent, and I say I am the angel amongst them. It's a month to Abama me lead Ghana.
I don't know why I say a due time be na e do say ya. Na say the whole position no. O kasa say on time no or better. E change the war or to. Na we su course on super me time na e better e change we.
But one kasa wuni mo say na me no me no gina ha. Mahama time. It's excellency time. So what 10 million Ghana cedis and 1,000 Ghana issue butumwa. 1,000 Ghana and not 10 million should be more. So that time no. So we 14 cedis 50 pesos are. Auto petrol 1 gallon.
Yes, that time no. But say niama so
meba. And no man But what did they promise Ghanaians? I'm attacking them by their own words.
Oh, okay.
I'm attacking them by their own words.
Okay.
What did they tell Ghanaians? And national electricity bo.
Akosoro.
But say NBP bo kosoro.
Yeah.
Pay there and cost you to pay mu. And the minimum wage 14 cedis 88 pesos. It can't even buy gobe. Yes. 14 cedis 88 pesos. And to me to gobe. Now say vice president ko jina wachi bi ho a oto a. Your born the 60 Ghana. So no keka. Vice president what to watch 60 Ghana. No keka. Who can say easy on? It's not easy. The be here, me say me the be here, me say interview be me kind here. And the Ghana phone can send the nurse for you me guess. I don't care. Nurse ni pay in 2016. Diploma.
Okay.
Mean go degree kwa diploma nurse ni pay. Na eto air condition brand new too.
Way back.
In 2016.
2016.
Yes.
Eto air condition.
Let air condition brand new too. In 2023, ni 2 months pay and the air condition back.
Wow.
And then as ni pay, it mean to mattress, it mean to king size. It's me say king size kind of be quite. It mean to 8. Listen to me, say 8 inches high density
mattress.
High density, 8 inches high density mattress. Next ni pay, it mean 8 inches high density mattress. What are you talking about?
Wow.
What's it then? What's it Ghana ye? Obi time na obi pay na nurse ni pay me to a king size mattress. And then the pay me to double mattress. What's it then? You shouldn't talk. That man ye. Who told you? It's a moment more control. Me say about that one me to my on Saturday on.
Saturday, yeah.
My base 6 o'clock. Na party no go.
By this time, yeah.
Na party no go.
All right, Komono, I am very, very interesting, but now was a medicine slide big ye. So the bear obenya kwai. I hear Juman saying you have a lot to tell Ghanaians. What is you are educating Ghanaians? Also, me, I'm not a politician. And to be say Mishawa, I'm person who know also all kinds of Ghana for what is going on. So what I say, now all can say Bawumi. Oh, why a mess? When you go for the my mess at any quantity to Abama or
and ya Bawumi anko all the aspirants.
Agyapong to
Agyapong on the crowd in the end there who cross Bawumi. You see, Pagana now no queen in here. Because when I go on social media and the youth are like, no can, no vote, no can. Just recently, my bets, yet you 10%.
So, oh my, now, say tax there.
Master tax, you'll be a tax, and the tax is good.
So I didn't.
But who create jobs for my youth and tax you more? If you don't know, who create job more? Who tax no? Now who tax no? Puna reason with them. Reason with the stakeholders. How much they will try my bet. No, now people say how best and now tax is sending be a two my bed a very comfortable. Would you to them when I feel sorry? I'm Mr. Matthew 10%. Did you hear what Kennedy Japan said? That the 10% is too small. That when he becomes a president, he will even increase it, maybe even to 30%.
I think say almost say you to know patronize bet and almost way be a detail almost from
you fine accepted. A Juman will create my youth. Have you asked yourself that question? A Juman Ben will create my youth.
One district, one factory.
A factory no crew maybe oh district what is you come as even busy. Busy. Oh one district one factory no we busy here.
Planting for foods and jobs.
Food no we na jobs no we. Food we na jobs we. Omo kasa omo be no ma ye. E we. Bra, you see Ghana you drew level be a I want see my adwinu be won no ma bebre ho. These NPP people no omo deceive you from way back. Okay. And you before now no master says so mudi he enche NPP ni fu abon sa afranto ayede aba. Is o se osono no beko ama afranto ayede aba. Say emu asem na
kwesi kode
say ni nyamu nya emu nti emu asem na.
Emu we osono
na afranto.
Nti unni atemo.
Na me ni say osono ni na afranto yi. Enti emu asem na NPP for no omu pese omu yede. Omu sa de babiem. So what I say, it's also no be corner from time.
So it's like all these things now, almost someone say they will break the 8. Almost say they okay now when you say almost still no, they are breaking the 8.
I don't normally break 8.
So my name, your my no, and almost the Ghana for they breaking 8. Almost feel say what they have done, a better chair more. So it's like the whole Kenyan, NPPC, they are going to break the 8.
Now why don't they break 8? And I didn't normally break 8.
But they have done something. My name, the thing says I never know my no. Omo the Ghanaians will still vote for them, and they will continue to be on.
And then so Omuku Ghana for Nyana come Busha from come to break it too. I'm telling you, unless Omuku Ghana for Nyana can't go for the neighbor me and Japan, then crow from Busha for no market to about no Multimedia break 8. I'm telling you, I don't want to break 8. Tell me, then the MPP break 8. Free wine, free wine.
SHS.
Master, don't go there. Are you a parent? Are you a parent?
Me bank school there.
Good. Parents are now feeding their wards. They are now feeding the entire schools. Parents and the Chiesika. they are Tony and Yaman in school. What are you talking? Where's the free SHS?
Man of free street children are now in the classroom. Street children are in the classroom. First, Nanka, Ubiko Suya,
and I don't see my bets. And that's a young crown of my school, me and a good bet to which my bet. And crown of my school, me and a good bet to which my bet. And I know possibly a nurse in a nurse for Mujalo 2 years. Means I no more educated Lotokias agent, you know, said, I don't know. Oh, money more a day.
Money more a day.
And you mean your mining. So what I say, oh, no, can I just because me just my bet, you know, over 10% in the cruiser. Massa, at least a 2% is enough. It's okay. 2% is okay. Now, Quarani, yes, it can be found to no one for the other way. Was a per 10%. Now, could be a 400 Ghana cities, I don't 40 cities.
Make I say, Jomama time, electricity tariffs, a cost. Or see a penny, your price in your light in India, Yentia more. And Tisana,
a Tiana, which you are more, and a Timibuaya, your Kofa car powers, a buyer, your destabilizing the power in this country.
But not doom so.
Doom so, which you are near the second be 2 and the Kofa car power budgets right. Abba, Massa, and your first visionary leader, and you'll be and the minu Jinai, levy. You levy. You won't want contact order.
You just need baby.
Uni baby a scanner. Thank you. COVID levy. Scanner kwahe.
You just need baby.
Sanitation levy. A kwahe.
Only the year of rules.
Who the year?
Only the rules.
Baby a jina Bramine. So Bramine has say. Bramine. I only jina no. And your baby for Frobia. Bramine. Apart from the main road now, I link Pancrono. Bonsium to No, from Pancrono Bonsom to Brema UGC to Pancrono. Aside that main road, no, Chirame area, you go asphalt over Brema has it. Chirame Baco.
Brema Kwana,
no, so baby, a general, baby, Brema have baby. Brema, the pian where you go asphalt. And they get up and they think, say, you're fine. It's our party into any crana and found. What's that? That's your dream more. I'm telling you, especially Ashanti region, people in Ashanti region. I was say, you're sorry, Waka. I'm telling you, because you ain't me trauma MPP and for your name near from Cheremia dear potty, a dear a soon book a CPA MPP by Shanty region.
Or more yet, so I'm interchange.
Or more yet. No time I'm interchange. About friends about budgeting. 2019. And I swam interchange about budget. I think it's 2018. I think 2018. And I swam interchange about budgeting. How many years in it? Yeah, 5 years in it. I become 1 year more free, so I feel I'll be interchange. Now, baby, and you know how near money or they bread the people of Swami. Any magazine for. Master, why are we doing this to ourselves? I didn't know one yard. Young Pamono. You're a competent party. You're a competent leader, like His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And me taking lead in non fire, don't feel composure assassin. That is it.
A day, you being a communication member. A damn now over to me actually gone of war. That time now almost say NDC I disappoint to two about tier NDC. Now what person against some two about and some mobile. What are some of the messages are
Ubusa nice question. Ghana for BA assume a mind tro. And yen journalists and so media houses and I'm why.
Okay.
Ghana a bra and know how you won't be bringing you now. A media for ne dia bropa. Woman a dia bropa. Me person me boni media house.
Okay, yeah.
2016, she jandam amu ye John Mahama ukromwase. She jandam. Who's I'm even sweating?
Yeah.
Chale, me say, and no maybe ye me ya. She papa you man no po my way. 9 people fought me about 2017. I said, Mahama and Jessica Bianto. You want a stabilization fund, $200 million. It's resting there. It's $200 million. You think it's more money? So I say, Excellency was there. Yes. But you say, Mahama no was a shenuma. Opposing you do so many days, and son no shenuma. Who be free so say there be me friend him go see way infra should die. I'll make sure to solve this energy problem. And he solved it so nicely.
But NPP someone never solve you.
So you ask any NPP member, only NPP need be a day come up and say, Omuba since 2017. on chair me megawatts. Do mo dia beka ye first ye national grid no. Ye energy no. Omo nkyere yen.
The Ghana for betimi abusa o.
There be who ya Ghana ni aya who you busa.
Me just ye busa o omo mekire.
Papa J, I so sad eh.
Me communication team member. They should come and tell us the almost enya de beka energy sector no because what me aka the
omo fa bibia me count they never solve the problem. I mean, John Bawumi vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi in May 2016 said Muhammad deserves no credit for solving doom so. If somebody makes such a statement, what does that mean? It means that the person has solved the problem.
Okay.
Even he himself has testified. Chain Mensah has testified. So, what's up?
You're Sylvester Agyapong, or an actor, or a politician, or a Ashanti regional.
Oh, handkerchief.
They were also sweating. What you say, like, where he papa. So, NPP for much money because we the way says like AC Kasana. So, be a shady to see, and also NPP never had an argument in Assassin.
Oh, yes, me basis will be arguing.
Oh,
so, Mama now 1,000 cities.
Conventional.
No, 1,000 cities. Now, to me, the top mattresses. Now, say 1,000 cities. Ain't to me, top single bed. I told you why.
Waboka. My member said some way. There was a time I said, I say heritage fund. John Mama Kwakofa.
Or Kwakophobia or not creating the fund or Kwakofa the heading. Ubia were creating the fund or Kofano the heading. You see, the number one because a Ghana for be a summa and fraud too much.
Okay.
What creating the fund? Or Kwakofa the heading. One first can be a heritage fund. Scared the 2 man that him or Kwakofa the heading. I'm going to my first scan. Oma could be Mrs. Cordiba or the 2 in our COVID, but Mako yes, as he can in it.
Wow.
Oma yes, as he can in it. When you're $3 billion, shut them at 350. Went to me, Sabi. Went to me and Yagini and to plane back up a say. Bra, who took an about the Ghana now, Rahu.
Yeah, the Kumawood International Airport.
The Kumawood International, but that's Mama's project. 5th December 2016. I was there when we cut the salt for that project. After commissioning the first phase of the Kumawood Central Market, we came to the airport to cut salt for the commencement of the second phase of the Kumawood International Airport. Ask them where the woman who cry, Yenya says, can be a project. But some people need that is Mama's legacy. Kumawood International Airport is Mama's legacy. I was there when we were cutting the salt. From there, any acquire last rally for the 2016 elections. Yes. So who said say why project?
Communication members and
NPP for no. And Amika said this time the Jandam is over. The Jandam time is over. And by kind courtesy of social media, and I will say a very big thank you to TikTok. Because TikTok, obviously TikTok is even better than KNU, still Legon, Cape Coast University and stuff. But anyway, I'm out for Kasa. Anyway, you know why? Because they are being educated more. The education is going on more there. I mean, say, "Omo who no krebi anayede na ewo entro omudi go mama so." TikTok abama say be nipa bebrani. Oh yes. Okay, and you know, Jandam time is over.
Yeah, Jandam time is over. Yeah, omo kwa koto aba. Do you think say say delegate ni be discan what aba e dey ma?
I mean, the Ghana ska. What I will tell them is, Mama would Bawumi at the bar GD. Canada Japan the bar GD. Akoto the bar GD. E Ghana ska. O ma hwia gudemu no mo de be chama mu adi.
Wow.
Eti munyi sika no na mu ndi se de kwaye wa asen no. Asin masa wo hanka woni baji o ka benya scared you.
I'm afraid be na me say politics.
Yes, oh, so ba akura bi 11 years. Sorry, 18 years. Small girl bi.
Yeah.
Also in lifetime onya 300 Ghana da.
Oh,
but that day no konya 3 million.
Wow.
Titis no. Onya 300 Ghana.
Wow. I'm afraid be on say politics.
Yes, I know what. Abobo ya. Ade asini ya don't know what happened. They lost totally.
Yeah.
This is what they are going to do. After being bust. Recently, also millions of dollars are on the bus on campaign and calling election. You beat me at 2 scale elections.
Wow.
He was that guy now. 600,000 your friends is it barrels or liters of food now a year was bust. He was involved. So today he has the mouth to say, I have millions of dollars to campaign for every position.
So special prosecutor.
Special prosecutor no. Cecilia da pass me by honorable Cecilia da pass case by. Ubi I have 1 million every na yim and the sikem. I take him months and son who the ministers can it ho bebre. Over $100 million and $1 million.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Now, Master, no was sick way down. Now, me know me on one again. $10,000. I said, $10,000.
Oh, Ghana.
$10,000. You trip. Me now me $10 square from Sikam Club. $1 million. And then a special prosecutor we can.
Is he something idea, man?
Yes, somebody is coming. You see, this leader called the president, who happens to be His Excellency Nana Addo Kufuor. We dig on our bro. We market as a share. I mean, we make corruption. I say delicacy be on as you be a DB on the major. Hey, you be a as you be a DB.
Wow,
no, I mean, person my paper me if me person me this year. No.
I want Ghanaians to feel you.
Or signal me no.
I want Ghanaians to feel you. How when you see a bria we see kasa no. Obi beka say bia I can feel the passion with the air kasa. The passion with the kasa. Any yawa udi among the youth of this country.
Yeah.
NDC being a communication member no. Plans be na more youth no.
A lot. A bini heritage fan as someone now because any other wearing
for future for dancing chirima.
And na ye benoma na His Excellency Ashishegu Mama youth no. Na make us say ye nyabutre amma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Okay. That man would have made Ghana like Rwanda today.
Okay.
I'm telling you. Segleme project. When I was going to South Africa, I decided to do a transit, send me for Ethiopian Airlines. And I made a call. So I made a transit over Ethiopia. Okay. When the flight took off, like, and caught 40,000. Now from and the Nam Kronim. Some projects in Ibebre, Ethiopia. Be a ocean, be a walk Ethiopia. Will testify to what I'm saying.
Okay.
It is happy, son. No person was here with Sigleme. Na Akana, Achokuno. People start moving to Segleme. That was the intention.
Okay.